Hello guys, welcome to Medverse. And in the last session we talked about our curare poisons, right? And in this session we'll talk about a second peripheral nerve poison in the toxicology series, and the name which you might have guessed from the picture. Many don't know, but this plant is known as Conium maculatum or hemlock plant, also known in local language as Visjira. Okay, hemlock plant or Visjira. So this hemlock plant contains the active principle. Let us make again our template of flowchart. The active principle is conine, basically conine. Okay, and 7 other alkaloids plus other alkaloids. Okay, and which part of plant is the most poisonous part? So highest in unripe fruit and seeds are the most poisonous, right? Unripe fruit and seeds are the most poisonous. And basically hemlock was, you can say, a plant of Socrates. Okay, Socrates, yes, the Greek philosopher. Okay, so this of historical importance, the history, it is associated with the case of Socrates. Okay, it's the case of Socrates. He was administered this poison as a form of execution. And if you remember, okay, in the last, if you remember, I told you in the fatal dose, right? Fatal dose of curare was 60 mg, right? So the fatal dose of Conium maculatum is also 60 mg. 60 mg is the fatal dose, right? The signs and symptoms. Let us make another column for signs and symptoms. I am writing S and S for signs and symptoms. So signs of symptoms, it has a mousy odor. Unpleasant, mousy type of odor. Okay, and basically the odor is very, you can say, unpleasanting, right? So it is a strong narcotic odor of leaves, also strong narcotic odor of leaves. And it is basically causing general symptoms. I'm not writing the general symptoms: burning in mouth, throat, okay, vomiting, diarrhea. These are common. Okay, these are common, but the most important thing is that it causes, okay, these are the signs and symptoms. You can continue the signs and symptoms here. Okay, it will cause general toxicological symptoms. I hope you know how to write in exams the general symptoms. Obviously you can paste this: diarrhea, vomiting, and all things, right? I need not tell you, you are experts in that. But the thing which I want you to write is that it causes motor paralysis which extend upwards. This is the most characteristic feature: motor paralysis extending upwards. Motor paralysis ascending. This is ascending, not extending. Ascending upwards. Okay, and the cause of death, COD, is not cash on delivery. Cause of death is basically respiratory paralysis. Respiratory paralysis. Okay, and this is also a peripheral nerve poison. Okay, I hope the concepts are clear and you understood about Conium maculatum. Let us meet in the next poison. Bye bye.